am a cat. Nothing more. Just I am a cat. Oh wow. So you're supposed to walk. Oh my god. How did I figure that out? Okay, it's hard. You're a bit more slippy than you. Oh, I've got claws. Oh, so claw my way up there. Okay. Whoa, stars. Oh, so am I supposed to jump? Can I? Claw. You know how scary that is? Wall climb, wall climb. I don't think you can wall climb, okay. Yes! I'm such a smart cat. Some people could call me smart. No! That's how dumb of a cat I am. Oh, come on. I'm supposed to be a smart. Oh, come on, not again. I can see how this game is app lab. Fish! Give me that. So, you're coming with me, kitty man. There you go. I'm the Meow Sire. I've seen that on a YouTube video, so I'm not taking credit for saying that. Because fall asleep. Let me just put out the cushions. Woohoo! Sleeping time. I'm not going to sleep. It's time. May all kittens die. I'm recording, by the way. Oh. I'm becoming a cat. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Hello, lady. Giggity! Do you like me? Hello. Whoa, I have a watch. Fluffy Joe, neighbor. Hey, neighbor, you around there? Okay. Oh, no. Ooh, sweet toys. Goo. Whoa, die! Die! I know, I need to put it to my mouth. Oh, hey, get off! Where are all the others? Get out of the way! Grandma! Grandma! I give up. I'm not a very agile cat. Womp womp. Ooh, let me swim. How do I climb? I guess I gotta jump. Wait, no, I can't climb. Oh. There we go. Oh, you're watching. Haha. Oh, I turn on. What do you have? Haha. Or just funny games. I want to hug Grandma. Yeah? Okay. Womp womp. Dead. Hello. I don't think she likes me. Run! I know she can't climb up the stairs in this game. And also heard you can go through this clock of some sort. Mission complete. You have reached the second floor of the house. I am security. Oh, I've seen that. A. Do. Nice. This game is fun. I'm pretty sure she might have calmed down at me now. Oh my god, there's a doo-doo on the floor. Whoa, ow. There's a doo-doo. Oh, hello, Grandma. I cause no trouble in the house. Oh, computer. Whoa, crap. I went flying. Flap. Flap. I'm the Meowsire. I'm carrying on saying that. Okay. Ooh, computer. Oh! So is this like monkey see, monkey do? I haven't made a video like that. Oh, sorry, Grandma. What? Yeah, she just got a frying pan! Ah! No! No! Did she kill me? No way! Meowsire. Oh, there's a cat. Yeah, that's my cat. Oh, Meowsire no longer. Meow. I can't believe I died. That was crazy. So I knew that the grandma's now a serial killer. I guess I need to enter the password. Maybe it's on the TV. It has. Oh, it could be in a book of some sort. Oh. Hello. You're now my faithful companion. Come with me. Why you getting mad at me? Who cares? You can go to sleep. I got better things to do than mess around with you. I'm a good cat. Unlike you. You're not even a cat. You're not allowed in the special kitty club. No kitty club for you. Alright. Can I open books to get any hidden codes? Oh. Why is it so hard to move? Oh, frick. So my main goal. Oh. How do you do it? Okay. Well, crap, I didn't mean to do that. Maybe you can help me get up. Oh, crap. How do I climb in this game? I need to go back to the tutorial. Oh, there we go. Didn't do anything. Can't get me up here, can you? Can you? Granny. Old decrepit granny. Hates me. I hate you, actually. How the tables have turned. Can you get me up here? No, Granny, you cannot. Womp womp. Bad thing you cannot get me. She's saying curse you. Actually, curse you. How the tables have turned. Could I get it in some knowledge? Woo! I fell. Whoa. Aw, look how cute he looks. He looks kind of scared though, to be honest. Granny, what are you hiding? Like, I don't like Granny now. Not like she beat me to death before. Oh, 0426. I think that's how I do it. 0426. 0426. Oh, coin. Give me that money. I might need that for later. So I'm pretty sure it's. Let me go check. I love being a cat. Meow, meow. Yeah, I'm a cat. Yeah. 0426. 0426. 0426. Get out of the way. How do I turn it on? Huh? Oh, access granted, yeah. Friends and cook recipes. Where's the mouse? My worst enemy turning up. Oh, is there some USBs? Should I find a USB or what? Oh, I've made quite a mess. Sorry, Granny. There's the mouse. Oh. Why can't I bring you with me? Get out my mouth. Get out my mouth. Oh, hello, Granny. Oh, friends. Oh, you have been friends with me. You're definitely not dead to me, Granny. Oh my god. Granny, kill me for 1 sec. I need you to kill me. Because, like... Because hopefully everything gets reset. Only... Oh my god. That's an interesting TV, don't you think, Granny? Have I killed her? Oh crap. Leave the crime scene. I'm safe. Till we meet again. Good Granny. I'm just going to be standing on this table looking all innocent. Hi, I'm so innocent. Let me watch. Granny's just sleeping. Kill me. Echo, get out. I named you Echo. Let me give you... Tom, get out the way. Wait, I know something. Something which you might like a vase of some sort. Now come kill me. Womp womp. Now hit me with the mace. Hit me with it. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, good God. I did nothing. Nothing have I done. I'm going to restart the game because it seems there's some called lag has kicked in, making it so I'm a cat early access. So I assume everything will be back to normal. So what was the code? 0426, I think. I need to write it down on some paper. You know, screw it. No, I'm not going to. 0426. This game has so many hidden secrets. So it's going to be like Monkey See, Monkey Do Do. It's got lore. I guess it hasn't got lore. It's just Granny is hiding something. And we need to know what. I'm pretty sure it's like one of those games where the password's always reset. Let's try. Oh, okay, no, it doesn't. Get that. Oh, this is so hard to... No. Yeah. Make us go on friends. How do I go on friends? Do I just click escape? No. Do I just click one of that? There we go. Let's see your friends. I'm pretty sure that's me. So I'm one of your friends. You loner! You have no friends. Oh, wait, no. Don't you have any friends? How do I click it again? Oh, I need to click side, don't I? Oh, Are these all pictures of me? No, I'm not. Oh my god. Oh, you have some good friends there, Granny. Let's see cook recipes. Password, let me guess. No way! No chance. And let's see. Why are you locking away some of these recipes? Why are you hiding them? What are you hiding? What are you hiding? Come on. What are you hiding? Chocolate rain. Some stay dry and... Oh, she got nothing. What terrible cook recipe. Can I don't think she has any cook recipes. What a terrible cook. Chocolate rain. Some stay dry and... So I see a USB is hidden somewhere. 2 USBs are hidden somewhere. So let's find both of them. In fact, should I do it in a part 2? Yeah, I'm going to make a part 2. With my bot. I'm going to call it Echo because in a YouTube video I swear they named it Echo. So